Flame at NP Weiss, and in this video, I'm going to talk about domestic violence civil protection orders and the court process that goes with them. If you're in immediate danger, call 911 or the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 800-799-SAFE. You may have heard of restraining orders. In Ohio, those are called Domestic Violence Civil Protection Orders, or a DVCPO, is a court order that limits the contact and behavior from an individual and is enforceable. Violation has severe consequences. Domestic violence encompasses two parts. First is the conduct, and second is the relationship. The conduct includes more than just physical injury. This includes threats, stalking-like behavior, child abuse, and sexual-related incidents. Second is the relationship. The relationship has a very broad definition, and it includes people that you have lived with and relatives, such as your spouse, your former spouse, family members, such as mom, dad. But if you're unsure of whether your situation fits in the definition, contact an Ohio licensed attorney for more guidance. So what is the process for getting a DVCPO? First, you'll file a petition with the court. And then in certain situations, the court may have an emergency ex parte hearing before the full hearing. An ex parte hearing is when there's only one party present. These cases can be very emotionally heavy and include recounting a lot of the difficult details involved in the facts. Next step is the full hearing. This includes testimony from both sides. My role in the process is sorting through the facts and presenting it to the court. And then is the granting of the CPO. After the CPO is granted, then the court has the authority to enforce it and deal out consequences for its violation. On the preparation for the hearings, the evidence doesn't have to be perfect. A lot of courts rely on the testimony evidence, but it is helpful to bring any text messages, phone calls, or police reports, and a licensed attorney can help present that evidence to the court. Common pitfalls include inconsistent boundaries, missing key information in the complaint, and waiting until escalation to report. When children are involved, this complicates the matters even more, and having a strategic plan for communications and exchanges is extremely paramount. A domestic violence civil protection order is a powerful legal tool, but it's not a guarantee for safety. It is important to have a safety plan in place. This includes having safe contacts that you can go to, adjusting your routine, and reporting when incidents happen. While DVCPOs are essential safeguards for those who need them, it is important that the system not be misused. However, domestic violence is never acceptable. If you have any questions, need help, or clarity on your case, contact NP Weiss Law to see how we can help. If you are in immediate danger, call 911, or for confidential support, call 800-799-SAFE. This video is for informational purposes only and does not create an attorney-client relationship.